What's up, Elko family? Welcome back. It's vlog 32. I can't believe I've done 32 of these freaking vlogs already. It's kind of crazy. But as you can see, snow on the ground again. Kind of sucks. In this week's video though, it was nice out, so I took the Elko out and, you know, had a little fun going around the block and getting her cleaned up for the season. After that though, had to work on a couple other things. And then as you can see, we got some new projects in the works too. So let's get into this week's video because there was quite a bit to do. Oh, and before that, actually, go get you some merch, baby. Check the link. It's in the bio. Let's go spin the Elko.
Oh, she's definitely not dialed in. She keeps hiccuping and shit, which I already kind of knew. But she needed a bath, so let's go clean her up. Maybe I'll see right here if she can peel out still just a little bit.
No, you ain't.
Oh yeah, she's way more aggressive. She's stumbling a little bit, but she'll get there.
What the hell is even that?
Made it.
Got the Elko cleaned up in a couple videos, and it was right back to the house.
Out here doing spinner wheelies.
Sweet home, baby. Dirty as fuck. Look at that shit.
That sucks, but feels good to have her clean in there now. Bright and early, baby. Headed to the other side of the state because I can't find this damn air filter anywhere online. It's discontinued, and I'm getting it because it looks fucking good on my car and it matches, and yeah. So we on the road. It's 7 a.m. We got another hour and a half, maybe hour and 45 minutes. I'll see y'all when we get there. All right, mission accomplished. And oh look, GM. Feeling like Matt's off-road recovery because I got a little victory omelet. Not a victory pie, but yum. After running back and forth across Michigan, I finally made it back to the house, and I told my neighbor I would help him clean up the property since his father had passed and had quite a bit of stuff out back. Playing in the mud today. Load number 7, maybe? We worked out a pretty good deal. I helped him out and I got a couple things out of it too. All right, I'm out of breath, I'm struggling. Got all these over here, but got one more trailer to get in my yard. Took a couple more minutes to move the trailers around. Had to get the flatbed closer to the house because it's getting hit with a wire wheel very soon. Got those nice couple days in, and then, yeah, you see it. There's some snow on the ground. Kind of figured it was coming back. But since there's snow on the ground, I'm heading over to the country club for a little birthday party for my girlfriend's sister's kids. So let's go have some fun. All right, before I started, got the battery on, added a little oil before I even got the other camera on. Let's see what she does if I just try and start it. Only issue is I need a different cable connector for the negative. So that might be a problem, but we'll see what happens. Set y'all down right here. Here goes nothing. And she's in gear. Holy shit. Let's get her out of gear. She's about to take off. But you've seen it. That's cool. That's cool. That's cool as shit. Now it started right here, but only for a minute, and my phone ran out of storage, so I don't have it on video. She almost fired up, but now the carb is probably just the issue. It's probably beyond gunked up, so got to take that off real quick, see if we can clean it up enough to run for a second. So I'm gonna pop this line off, get the fuel to stop feeding into it, and go from there. All right, all cleaned up, put back together, inside and out. Not spotless by any means, but good enough to get it running. And we'll clean off the outside later with the pressure washer. All right, definitely running into a couple issues. I broke this little bracket off, so couldn't get it back on any way, shape, or form. So threw a couple shitty booger welds in it, and now it's pristine. So let's go put it back on. And now I think I can finally get this damn thing started and running.
Dream on, dream on.
All right, after a cool hour of being pissed off and messing with this, I think I have it on there well enough to hold up. So let's go find out. Put the car back on for like the 100th time and broke the bracket again as I was putting the throttle cable on. So that's that. All right, try number 500, it seems like. I don't got too much faith in it at this point, but we're gonna see what happens. Give me just a second. This wasn't too bad of an issue. I just moved the ground wire and it was no longer starting. But then after that, I lost spark. Well, not one of my best days working on shit. Broke the throttle bracket and can't get that fucking welded back on to save my life. And for some reason, I'm not getting fuel. So we'll see what I can do next. Decided to go check out the Ford mower, and no crank, no start, no nothing. So I'll be back to that one once it warms up a bit. The next day, me and my lady took a quick trip out to Detroit for the homies basketball game, and then headed right back so I could finally go work on the Elko. All right, let's go pop off those stupid rubber lines on the carb and put on the nice fancy stuff. It keeps snowing on and off, so I'm not running power out here, so shots might be a little dark today. All right, not the brightest. I got the flashlight on the camera too, but we'll get in there. Let's get all that goofy shit out of the way real quick. That is finally on there. Looking bomb. Still gotta do the choke cord and whatnot, but I gotta go through, shorten up the fuel line down there just a little bit. That looks like dog shit. Shorten it up so that this fits on there a little bit nicer and goes perfectly flush straight right there. Right there. So gonna clean that up so it looks nicer, and we should be good to go after that. Woo, it's cold as hell out here, but we're making progress. All right, y'all are getting a front row seat if anything goes bad, so let me know.
Probably gonna take a few cranks anyway because there's no gas in anything. Here goes nothing. Alright, well I'm not hearing any drips, so that's cool. I lied. We're dripping. Man, thought we were good. Thought we were freaking good. Obviously, I have another leak. I think it's just because I need a fuel pressure gauge right there. And I don't have a cap for it. Nope, I'm just an idiot. The cap is already there. I just didn't tighten it down. And that leads into another problem next week. So, yeah, we'll see that next week. We'll get that later. But for now, let's throw the choke cable on since I don't have one. I'm just going to run this through the firewall. Get that hooked up right up there. And, yeah, should be fairly easy. I'm going to go do that. Got the choke cable put on and it's working good. Got the bowls all leveled out. It's ready. Besides that little leak right there, it's damn near there. So I'm excited. I'll get back to this in a couple days because it's freezing in here. I gotta go to the store and I'm trying to get the next vlog for y'all done. So I lied, couldn't help myself. Thought I was going inside the edit, but decided to break out the wire wheel and get these trailers cleaned up. But unfortunately it snowed right after I did this, so they're not getting painted till hopefully next week. Alright, just got that bad boy wire wheeled. This one's up next. Louis helping. A lot of goofy things happened this week, but I'll handle that all next week. You know how I do, baby. But yeah, we'll get these projects going too in the next few days. Hopefully I can get them painted. I highly doubt it if it stays as cold as this, but if it warms back up, those will be done in a heartbeat. And you'll see what's going on next week with another problem with the Elco. Just stay tuned. If you follow me on Instagram, you already know what's going on though. So see y'all later, Elco family. Peace. Just like that, another week down. Don't forget to like and subscribe. New videos dropping every week. Daily posts on Instagram and TikTok. And drop a comment. Let me know what you want to see done to the El Camino. Peace.